and welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and guys namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngenimba bakhala abantu la inkundla zokuxhumana bakhala ke ngoLazarus. Guys, nibonile ukuthi ke indaba yokuthi ke uzoleka wayekade ke ene sexual relationship noma wethu igcina ifike endlebeni ke zika Lazarus. But ke angazi guys ukuthi ukwatiswe yini kangaka uLazarus, because this relationship yenzeka before yena nozoleka babe item, but manje guys akafuni ukuzwa ukuthi angazi ukuthi kwenzekalani. So uzoleka ke is like yo yabona into yakho ukuthi ushaya iglass obondeni ingithusile kahle kahle ngazi ukuthi uyinhlobo eshanayo. So athi you must fix your insecurities, and ke nabantu basho njalo ukuthi bakithi ayikho umuntu ongenayo iphasi. Ngampela usekwatiswe yini kangaka uLazarus guys, sekwatiswe yini kangaka, because now he is losing, he will lose it like indabeni ya Lilian kanye ke no Sydney if eqhubeka kanje, because vele inhloso yabo ukuthi bebona uzoleka noLazarus belwa and bese bethola intuba ke yokungena ke bona. So guys, mangabe sicheka ke lapha ke ama tears namhlanje bathi ke uLazarus uzomqonda ke uma wethu bathi ke uma wethu be like buti mina angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Bathi ke Lazarus corners mawethu for the truth, he refuses to let go off. So impela cha uzomqonda ambuze ngoba le ndaba le ayimphethe naze kahle. Bathi ke futhi ke tension rises as mawethu fears ukuthi past yakhe might cost him everything njengoba sekuthiwa ke akaxoshwe ke emsebenzini. But ke guys, there is something that is going to happen ke bathi Qhawe's night spiral into a moment that changes everything. Mangabe ke uqhubeka ucheck ama teasers kuyavela ukuthi ke something bad will happen to uQhawe. Angazi uma guys bathi ke uyagula or there's something ezokwenzeka kuyena, because ke sambona futhi nayizolo ukuthi uke waba nje nobudizi dizinyana lapha yana ke uma wethu embuza ukwenza ngathi no it's nothing yabo. So indaba yakhe ke izoba serious ngampela, and iyona ke ezogluwa ke ifamily together at this time, and sizobona ke futhi ke no onga kanye ke noma wethu be busy guys na beveza ukuthi uba nothanda uqhawe kakhulu between the two of them. Kuzoba nzima ngampela guys, impilo ke kaQhawe izobe ke isengozini kakhulu, but ke we are hoping ukuthi ke zonke ke izinto ke zizolunga. But ke baphinde bachaza futhi ukuthi ke uzoleka kanye ke no Lazarus they will find their way back to each other, and ke guys amid rising danger. So bazozama ukulungisa into zabo babe i team futhi again and continue. But nje guys ama writers enza show ukuthi uzoleka uyagowa week in week out, uyagowa nathi siyagowa shem, nathi siyagowa. Indaba ezimnandi ke bathi ke useason 2 ukhona for inimba, njengoba nazi ukuthi phela ke sithi sikuzo season 2 vekuthiwa ke iyakhanselwa ke ishow, but ke for inimba because niyithanda niyalithanda inimba liyabuya futhi guys for season 2 bazoqala ke bashuthe if bengakaqali ke kwakhona manje. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.